It's that time of year again.
Halloween.
And of course, this is an invitation to talk about anxiety. Tonight is the night to get all dressed up and spend the evening of Halloween as a monster, a demon, a zombie, a Black Widow, Freddy Krueger, Frankenstein, a dark dramatic witch, and all sorts of different scary entities. In moments like this, the imagination is running wild. We get scared easily. And we enjoy the goosebumps. We see shadows on the walls. Spiders are crawling over our feet. The dark night and all of its secrets is out to get us. If all of that was real, we certainly wouldn't enjoy any of this. We would face serious danger and therefore fall into fight, flight, or freeze response and do everything to get out of there alive, back into safety. So why doesn't it happen at Halloween? Because somehow deep down inside of us, we know it is not real. So we can find a pleasure in the shiver and fun in a scream. We know there is no monster under the bed in the first place, and therefore there's nothing more to do about it. When people feel anxiety very strongly, they do forget that there is no monster under the bed. They perceive a danger as real that isn't even there. So they imagine all possible worst-case scenarios and experience them as reality because it feels real. They tend to use all kinds of exorcisms, like breathing their way out of the situation, or trying not to think about it, or trying to tell themselves it is not real. But it's not working all that well. Because in any case, the implication is there is a monster under the bed, and I have to find ways to escape. That normally worsens the anxiety. When you are suffering from anxiety or panic attacks, what would happen if you really discovered, there is no monster under the bed? What you label thrill on Halloween, in terms of physical sensations, is no different to the feelings of anxiety. Only you know it is unreal and generally safe to play. I hope that was very useful for you. Have a lovely, spooky night. Bye-bye.